D7 here with Grok Trade. It is Monday, November 6, 2017. Keisha, my assistant, her birthday is tomorrow. Happy birthday to you, Keisha. And the markets in the day bullish yet again. Nasdaq doing the best. You have financials down, US dollar down, crude oil up nearly 3%. Gold is higher, silver is up by 2.2%, and VIX higher by 2.8%. But oh, hold on, let me send that to voicemail. VIX down, but I put a sell on Bitcoin today. Put a sell on it. But let's get to this, guys. We're looking at the Spider ETF. This is the ETF on the S&P 500. We're crawling higher. The thing that I'm paying special attention to is the 8 EMA moving average. That's that gold one coming up right here, and this trend line. If we can stay above this red line and the 8 EMA, all is well. All is well. All bets are off if we break down below that. Dow. The Dow is flirting with death. It cannot get off of support. This red line, all bets are off if we break down below it. It's still managing to stay above it. Will it continue? It's dangerous, guys. I could see this thing dropping pretty quickly. Nasdaq is up and away. It's pulling away from the 8 EMA. All is looking well. Nothing saying that this is ready to pull back. Small caps, though, it's not showing the same sort of bullish moves that the Nasdaq's doing. If you notice here, we went up, try to get above the 20-day moving average, we come right back down. We're just caught up here in these moving averages. We're just chopping sideways. All bets are off if this lower red line gets broken to the downside. Financials, I thought we're going to break down below the red line. See this? Up. Broke down, but closed right at it. Let me actually tweak these lines ever so slightly. Hold on a second. We might be below that line now. We might be below it. Oh, man, guys. We are below it. We broke it. But hold on. That just doesn't look right to me. This is interesting. Now I want to bring in more data. I'm doing this right in front of everybody. Let me see if that works. Okay. All right, I feel better about this one. I feel better about this trend line. I feel a lot better about it, and it closed right at it. So I was right the first time, but I had to double check that. I'm going to teach a course on trend line drawing. Man, when I do, make sure you're a part of that one. US dollar showing some weakness. I think I'm going to put a sell on that fairly soon, but I'm not going to do it yet. Still have a buy on that. Crude oil, boom, to the upside. I called a buy on that on October 10th. And look where we're at now. Just insane. Gold. I had a sell on it, and then a buy, and I had to sit through it. Look at this. Boom, broke a big time area of resistance, guys. Look for gold and silver to go higher. Gold and silver higher. Look for that to happen. We got to close on silver above the 200-day moving average and the 50-day moving average and the 20-day moving average. This was a huge day for silver, just huge. But fear has increased. Yesterday, Friday, I called a sell on fear, but today we come up above this area that should have been support or resistance because we broke down below. It should have been resistance. It's not now. It's not acting as support. I may have to turn that around. That might be a buy. This did an about face on us, and just very, very interesting to see. Okay. What I'm going to do, though, want to watch that line too. Okay. Okay. And Bitcoin. Bitcoin. There's the sell, guys. Big drop in Bitcoin today, 3.3% down on BTC USD, Bitcoin against US dollar. There's the drop. There it is. We're dropping. There's the sell on Bitcoin on big volume too. Look for a little pullback. This would be the time to be looking for a buy. If we can pull back here, maybe right around the 65.77 level. If that happens, that'd be great. GBTC, I also have a sell on it. I had a buy on it, now a sell. Those are my calls on that. Quick gander, because this is a long video, because I didn't cut out all this stuff. I want to show you a couple things. BABA up 2.5%. Have a buy on it. Still good with that buy. Apple, a 1% rally. And I thought we were going to do a sell, but today we broke a big area of resistance. Good to see. Baidu, it's up 1%. I'm going to, oh boy, I'm not going to put a buy on it yet. Not going to do it. Almost wanted to. There were several things I saw here to put a buy on it. Not doing it. Nope. Any other major movers here? Oh, GoPro down 2.4%. I have a sell on it. There's the sell. And bam! That dude's looking bad. Let's put an area of support in right there. And we got near there, buyers came in. Let's see what happens. Anything else? Ooh, PayPal up 1.8%. I put a buy on that dude on the 20th. Oh, and it closed at the day's high. Guys, PayPal's on fire. Snap down 2.9%. I had a buy on it. Oh, look at this beautiful triangle, guys. This is gorgeous. Look how pretty this is. Oh, man. This is coiling. Snap is building pressure. Look for that to make a major move. We do not know what direction that's going to head. Let me see if I can look to see if I can get some idea which direction by looking at the technicals. Oh, okay. So far, I see a bias to the bull side, on this breakout. At this very moment, because we closed below all major moving averages, that's a bad sign. The moving averages are acting more as resistance than support, so that evens it out again. This could go either direction. Watch for a big move, guys. Big move. Volume is, see how light it is? See the average line? See how we have a lot of low volume? That's very typical going into the apex of a triangle. This dude's ready to rock and roll. If I look here, look how sellers came in to these highs. Sellers came in, a lot of shadows up there. Gives me more downside opportunity. So we have earnings coming up. Something tells me they're going to disappoint. Twitter down 2.6%. Had a buy on it, and oh man, had a buy on it. This is an area of support. Oh man, I'm gonna stay with my buy. Let's see if we can get a bounce. But anyway, bad news there. Okay, I'm under. I mean, let me see. I bought it there. No, now I'm underwater on this one. I'm underwater on this on Twitter. I'm losing money on. Okay, so there it is. Mentoring. We have a mentorship coming up, guys. It's 3 days of being unplugged from your day-to-day stuff. It's 3 days of being immersed in the trading education that you know that we have, that you know that we'll deliver to you. Go to Grok Trade. This right up there. Go there. Just look at the information. Fill out the form. Let's have a chat. No obligation. It'd be a 20-minute chat of me asking you questions about where you're at in your trading, and then you'll make a decision on if mentoring is for you. So there you have it. Catch you guys later.